Hey there, my friend Susan here with Pumpkin Hill Stampers. A quick little invitation if you want to join my Fun Fold class for the month of April. These are the two samples that I've done in my video tutorials. I'm using Zoo Crew for my DSP, and I've made this fun pop-out card here, and then this one is a cute, easy gift card holder. So my videos take you through step-by-step how to cut all the papers, and then I put together these two projects. Now, if you want to participate by mail, you can order them. You get a template, pre-made template with all the markings on it. You also get a printed out tutorial and a fun pack of papers pre-cut for you to go ahead and try them on your own. And you get one for each of the projects. Now, you can buy them a la carte and they're $9 a piece, or you can buy the whole bundle for $18 for the month, and that includes your shipping. And if you really want to do fun folds every month, you can subscribe and save a couple dollars each month. So all my links are below to find out where to sign up, how to get started, and I'm happy to have anybody join right along with us as we go forward. So if you have any questions, please reach out here by comment or send me an email, instant message me. I can be reached in many different ways, and follow the links below for more information. Alright guys, have a great day and do some fun stamping!